If you're interested how to turn this mess into an organized masterpiece with craft wood and glue, stay tuned. I will show you how to create wood dividers that's easy with only a few supplies. A few weeks ago, I shared a video about my kitchen organization system. Did it work or didn't it work? One of the systems I was not happy with was this drawer here that stored my plastic and glassware. Well, today we are going to do a little DIY by creating dividers that goes in this drawer so I can better organize this mess here. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have a lot of sizes here, plenty of plasticware and plenty of glassware. And I need to figure out how to store all of these lids and these different sizes of containers to go inside that drawer. The first thing we're going to do is measure our drawer, and then we're going to do a diagram or a drawing of how I want this drawer to look, just to give me a guide of what pieces and sizes I need to cut. So here's my diagram, the drawing of what I want the drawer to look like. And we have the darker lines are where the boards are going, and the lighter lines are the secondary measurements. Those are for other boards, but we're concentrating on the solid black line. So I need about 5 of those, and we're going to cut as we go because it's kind of hard to pre-cut all the boards because they need to fit snugly. So we're going to cut a board and then install it, cut another board and then install it. Okay, the first thing I do before any project, organization, or decorating is clean the space. And we are going to clean out this drawer using this mini dustpan and brush. I love this small dustpan and brush because it really gets in the creases where a large dustpan will not fit. Using my diagram, I place the plasticware in the designated areas in the drawer to get an idea of placement and to ensure I have adequate room for all of my plastic stored. Then I place marks around my guide. The easiest way for me to do this is to transfer the diagram from my paper to the inside of the drawer as a guide. I can ensure my measurements anytime I need to, and if I want to check placements, all I have to do is place in containers inside the drawn line. Now we're going to do the right side of the drawer. This is the glassware side. Using my diagram, just like I did for the plasticware side, I place my glassware in the drawer to check the placement. Then I place marks around the area and use it as a guide. Removing the glassware, I start drawing my lines using my ruler, connecting the marks. When all the lines are transferred from the diagram to the drawer, I take all of my craft wood pieces and I cut them down just to make it easier to work with. Taking my first piece of wood, I lay it against my pre-drawn lines in the drawer to mark my measurements on the wood. I do this for each piece. Now take note. I always add a slight more to the measurement when transferring, maybe 1/8 of an inch. This was ensured a proper tight fit for each cut. But here's what it looks like with the first piece installed. Using the lines as a guide in the drawer, one of the 5 boards is installed as a middle piece to separate the 2 sides. Now we can install the rest of the pieces as a dry fit for the left side of the drawer. Now once the pieces are checked for fit, start gluing each piece. Wipe away the excess glue with a wet rag. Now we can install the rest of the pieces as a dry fit for the left side of the drawer. Finally, here is what it looks like with the 5 structure boards glued in place. And this is the complete look with the 3 secondary boards to divide the spaces using the same installation application. And the best part is it's removable. I have the option just in case I want the drawers back to its original state. So here's the reveal without the containers. And here it is with the containers. I just love it. Everything's fit perfectly. The lock and lock are stacked neatly and easy to get to. The lids are contained without falling all over the place. All of my mason jars are perfectly organized and stacked neatly with its top, ready to be used without looking for lids and space for extra lids just in case I need it. That's it for this DIY. Hopefully my instructions wasn't too confusing and I inspired you to try this easy DIY to create your own wood dividers for your drawers with only craft wood and glue. This application can be used for any drawer organization, clothing, garages, kitchen and bathroom drawers. The possibilities are endless. See you on the next one. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!